Hello everyone, welcome to back my channel my cat tutor, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn how we can export or we can save our file into another PC with all these material in the scene. As you can see, we have some materials for this project. We can check also in material editor. Now you can see we have some multiple materials over here in this material editor. So the same will be in your project. To save with materials your files to use on another PC or to transfer your files with the materials, if you want same kind of work, so simply there's a method which is given already in 3ds Max. Go to the application menu, and click on save as, and here you can see the archive. The archive file will combine all your products including your textures, materials and other files into a single zip file. So click on it and you can select the zip folder destination. Okay, as I'm selecting my download folder, and rename the file and save it. So get texture, save it. Okay, click on the download folder, a new folder for pre-filled texture, and select this folder, save here. Now go to the folder and cross check whether it is created or not. So go to the destination folder. You can see the zip file is here with texture. We have created, just extract here and you will see the max file and the all user data. See. Thanks for watching this video.